Hi everyone and welcome back to Alysei, the first B2B platform that connects top Italian producers with American importers and distributors in the food and beverage industry. In the last tutorial, I show you how Alysei works for international buyers. Today we focus on another key role in our community, American importers and distributors, who follow a special customized process on the platform. In this tutorial, I'll show you how an importer can easily buy product from our B2B marketplace. It's simple, fast, and convenient. I'm Simona Taioli, VP of Global Operations. So, the first things to do is to log in as an importer in Alysei. So from the home page, I click on the marketplace. I am an importer right now. On the home page, I click on the icon marketplace B2B icon. And on the home page of the marketplace, I can see the recently added products, the recently added stores, and so on. And also I can search for specific products, applying filters. For example, product name, product type, properties. In this case, if I select, for example, I want to search for a wine from, for example, Sardinia. So I click on wine. Can I choose properties, can I choose wine types, and can I choose the region. So I want the wine from Sardinia, and I click search. Here in this page, I can find my product. So and now I click on the product page. I click here, and I have the most important information, so the quantity available, minimum order quantity, and so on. And also from this page, I can also go to the profile of the producer. But now, in this page, there are two things, very important things. The first one is that if the producer has connected his Stripe account in his store, in his Alysei store, the importer can see the price, in this case $10. So the importer can have the add to cart button. Otherwise, if the producer has not connected his Stripe account to his store, the importer cannot have the button add to cart, but he will have the button send an inquiry. Send an inquiry to ask the producer about the product price. In this case, this producer has connected his Stripe account, so I can add the product to my cart. I go to my cart, and here I have the product name, the minimum quantity, order quantity, unit price, and etc. So now the importer can choose between shipping yes or no. If the importer, for example, chooses no, because the importer can have his own shipping company that he wants to use. So if he clicks on no, he will have a message that for this order there will be no shipping services. So for further information or assistance, please contact the producer directly. But if the importer clicks on yes, he has to select the states. Why the states? Where he operates. Why the states? Because if I go to the producer dashboard, so right now I am on the producer product page. So when the producer adds one product to his store, he can choose if he wants to add the shipping or not by clicking here. So if the producer choose the shipping, he can choose anywhere in US. So he can choose a price for the shipping anywhere in US. He can choose the region, Midwest region, South region, for example, $80, $10, for example, let's say $80. Or the producer can choose also the shipping cost for each state. For example, I put Illinois, $80. In this case, the producer has to, he can choose Illinois or Florida or whatever. In this case, so I go back to the importer. In this case, let's say that I am an importer that operates in Illinois. So I choose Illinois. If I choose Illinois, I can have the button checkout, because the producer has selected Illinois as a shipping cost in his product page. But if the importer, for example, chooses, I don't know, let's say Colorado, in this case, the producer didn't choose Colorado for the shipping price. So the importer cannot have the checkout button, but he has the send inquiry to send an inquiry about the shipping cost to the producer, directed to the producer. But in this case, I choose Illinois. Let's make Illinois, and I go to checkout. I can go to checkout. I can check out. So checkout, here I have some information to fill, so billing details, shipping details, and payment method with my info. And I can continue to pay. I wanted to know also that the importer doesn't have any commission. So when the importer pay only the product price, no commission, no hidden fees, no surprises. The importer also can, the importer and producer also can negotiate a price, because the producer can send to an importer, a specific importer, an offer from the page, from the dashboard page of the producer. Under offer management, the producer here can send an offer to a specific importer with the price, the quantity decided between the two, the shipping cost, etc. So it's the Alysei Marketplace B2B. It's very easy to use and is very convenient to use, and with no commission and no hidden fees. See you in the next video. Ciao!